Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Have you ever struggled with drawing trend lines manually only to find out they weren't as accurate as you thought? Or maybe you have missed key trading opportunities because you didn't spot a trend line in time, or rather a trend in time? Well, in this video, we are breaking down the auto trend lines indicator. It's a powerful tool that automatically plots your trend lines for you, making market analysis faster and more efficient. So make sure to watch until the end because we'll cover how this indicator works, how to set it up, and the best way to use it in your trading strategy. And hey, before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Now let us get started. So what exactly is the trend lines indicator, the auto trend lines indicator? All right, now, all right, okay, I'm just gonna increase the thickness of the lines, okay, to make it easier, make it more visible, right? Oh no, I think I'm supposed to do that from here. All right, so it's just to make it more visible, right? I just had to increase the thickness of the trend line. Okay, now this indicator, you can see the indicator automatically plotted these trend lines for us, right? You just have to load it on your chart and it does the work for you, right? Actually, it's a custom indicator, so you have to download it from an external site and you add it to your indicators library, okay, before you'll be able to use it on your chart if you're using the MetaTrader terminal. All right, so as you can see, it helps us identify key support and resistance levels, all right, on your chart, market trends, breakout zones without the need for manual plotting. Unlike traditional manual trend line drawing, where traders might misplace lines due to subjectivity, the auto trend lines indicator removes guesswork by analyzing historical price action and plotting trend lines with precision. It's especially useful in fast moving markets, right? Especially useful in fast moving markets. Okay, it seems like we're just gonna have to manage the thin line, right? Okay, so unlike traditional manual trend line drawing, where traders might misplace lines due to subjectivity, the auto trend lines indicator removes the guesswork by analyzing historical price action and plotting the trend lines with precision. Okay, and whether you are trading forex, stocks, or crypto, this indicator can help you react to market conditions in real time. Now that you know what it is, let us talk about how to set it up on your chart. You have to download the indicator first from an external site, whether it's MQL5 Marketplace or Indicator Spot or any other third-party website. Ensure that it is a legit website. Okay, do not go and download a virus or get scammed. Okay, you don't have to pay for anything. So do not upload any personal information on any site because you're trying to download an indicator. All right, do not do that. Okay, this indicator is absolutely free. Okay, so once you've downloaded the indicator, you go to your indicators folder for your MetaTrader platform, whether it's MT4, MT5, you add it to your indicators folder. All right, once you have done that, you have to restart your terminal. Okay, and once you have done that, you can just add indicator to your chart and you watch the indicator in action. You'll notice how the trend lines adjust dynamically as price moves, and as you switch time frames, you're going to observe how the indicator also adjusts, depending on the price action of the time frame that you are on. Okay, so it's quite a great indicator. All right, now the best part, no more wasting time manually drawing lines that may not even be accurate. This tool does the hard work for you, allowing you to focus on making smarter trading decisions. Now let's talk about the best ways to use the auto trend lines indicator. Okay, now that your indicator is set up, let's talk about how to actually use it to improve your trading. Okay, now we can use it for trend confirmation. All right, for trend confirmation, Okay, if price consistently respects a trend line, if price consistently respects a trend line, it confirms the strength of the trend. So you can use this information to trade in the direction of the main trend. For example, here, you can just be looking for buy opportunities. As price continues to bounce off this trend line, we can be looking for buy opportunities. All right. Then for breakout trading, when price breaks through a trend line with strong momentum, it can signal a potential trend reversal or continuation. Okay, so you might want to combine this with volume analysis or other indicators for confirmation. Okay, then you'll notice that the indicator highlights key levels where price has historically reacted, which is, you know, the dynamic support and resistance levels. You would see that the dynamic levels, the dynamic support and resistance levels are, you know, you can see the indicator plots, you know, the levels based on historical price action, right? So these areas can be great for entry and exit points, the dynamic levels that are being plotted by the indicator. So using the auto trend lines indicator in combination with candlestick patterns, moving averages, and momentum indicators can actually create a high probability trading strategy that keeps you ahead of the market. Now, a lot of traders misuse trend lines. So let's just go over some common mistakes to avoid. The first is relying solely on the indicator. While the auto trend lines indicator is a great tool, you should always combine it with other technical indicators and price action analysis, okay? And do not ignore the higher time frames. If you only look at short-term trend lines, you might miss the bigger market picture. So always analyze multiple time frames. Okay, you can go to higher time frames and, you know, look at what is happening on the higher time frames. Okay, then, you know, you go back to a smaller time frame and then execute your trades with, you know, precision once you have already gotten an idea of what is happening on the higher time frame. So it's important to do your multi-time frame analysis. Okay, it is very important to, you know, to carry out your multi-time frame analysis. Okay, and then do not force trades at trend lines. Okay, just because prices touch a trend line does not mean that you should enter immediately. Wait for confirmation. Okay, wait for a strong confirmation, maybe like a candlestick pattern, or, you know, you can use additional indicators. Maybe you can add the RSI, for example, or maybe you can add the moving averages. You know, you can add any other indicator of your choice, just for the purpose of confirmation. Okay, to get confirmation signals. All right, so avoiding these mistakes will help you use the auto trend lines indicator more effectively and make better trading decisions. All right, traders, that wraps up this deep dive into the auto trend lines indicator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert trading insights. Drop a comment below. Have you used this indicator before? What is your experience with it? Let us chat in the comments. And remember, stay smart, stay disciplined, and keep improving. See you in the next video.